After personally facing numerous easy anti-cheat problems and constant game startup failures and testing many solutions, I've found reliable methods that actually work. I'll explain the core reasons for each fix. This is the definitive guide to solve easy anti-cheat, violation error code, and startup crash issues. First, verifying game files is crucial. Corrupt or missing game data directly conflicts with easy anti-cheat checks, causing errors or preventing launches. Intact components allow ESC to function. Next, updating graphics drivers and Windows is vital. Older drivers or outdated OS versions create compatibility issues with modern games and anti-cheat. Keeping them current guarantees proper communication, stopping crashes. The third method involves reinstalling easy anti-cheat. Its own installation can get corrupted. A clean reinstall fixes internal software conflicts, preventing violations. Finally, adjusting antivirus and firewall settings is important. Security software can mistakenly block easy anti-cheat or game files, causing errors. Allowing them through ensures proper communication.